All right, let's start. So today we are looking at synthesis and transformation, answering questions using this phrase, would rather and then. Okay, so would rather than actually indicates that it indicates preference, like you prefer to do something over something, right? So maybe just giving you an example, Jerusa is tasked with working with some boys that she dislikes for a group project, right? And then Jerusha might say, "Oh, I would rather eat my shoes than work with these naughty boys," that kind of thing, right? So that's would rather do something than do something. Okay, or another example would be for Emma. Emma could say, "I would rather stay home watching Jujutsu Kaisen than go to school," that kind of thing, right? So that's like a would rather something and then do something. So it indicates that you prefer something over something else very strongly. Okay. And sometimes it's to be more exaggerated, like the Jerusha example, where she would rather eat her school shoes than to work with the boys. That's a very extreme example, but that's actually to show dislike as well. Okay. So, oh, there's someone coming in, Tammy. Not sure who Tammy is. Tammy could be Brian's mom. No, it's not. Who's Tammy? New student? Let me just refresh and see whether I have a new student coming in. No, I do not. Oh, it is Brian. Hi. You might need to change your name. Okay. Let me just click on present for Brian. Okay. Brian, can you change your surname? I mean, can you change your name? If you can't, I can change it for you. Just let me know, okay? Okay, so today we are going through you're going through grammar MCQs, comprehension cloze, and the important one is the synthesis and transformation. And we'll be looking at how to use would rather than accurately. All right. Um, but okay, I would like to use Class Dojo with you guys for this year, though. I have no idea why Jerusha's account is not here. Let me just very quickly go through and let me find Jerusha's account. Where's Jerusha? Yutaka Tsuri? No. Okay, I will start Jerusha's account now. And then I will check whether Brian's account is there as well or not. If it's not, I will add him in. So there's no Brian here. I'll add Brian in. Yes. Okay. I'm going to use Class Dojo with you guys this year. So every point that you get on Class Dojo, that will basically be considered 10 cents, basically. So Yutaka over here has $12.40, and then Rena has, what's Rena? Rena has $17.10, so on and so forth. Yeah. So you will slowly gain points as you answer questions correctly. Brian, you're a pink monster. Maybe I should change your monster. Uh, Brian has a very shocked look. He's like, why am I pink? Okay, I'll give you a more manly color maybe. What's a more manly color?
The blue and
Green,
red, no, the blue and red one.
blue, and red. This one?
Yeah, because in school my monster is also this.
Okay, you get the blue and red one. Okay, we have Christina joining us today. All right, Christina is here. Welcome to the class. It's a trial class for today. First time joining us. Yep. So let's see. Should I add Christina in? No, I'll add you in if you join the class permanently. Okay, then it's easier. All right. By the way, where was I? Yep. Okay, let's start. So we have grammar MCQs first. All right. And Brian, you do not need to give me the answers unless I say that you got it wrong because you're supposed to have done it online. Yeah. But you have done it online already, so no problem. Okay, for you. The rest has to give me the answers. Okay, so first one, question one. Brian, Emma, and Marissa all got it right. The rest of you give me the answer. What do you think the answer for this is? Just send me your answers on the chat group, right? It's a private message. You won't send an answer to anyone else. Only I can see it. Don't worry. Jerusha, what is that supposed to be? Is that a C or D? Okay, so Victoria has sent hers in, Jerusha has sent hers in. How about the rest? Christina, what about yours? Rina, what about yours? And where is Yutaka? He's still not here yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let me just key in the names of the rest as well. So Jerusha, Jerusha's answer is there. Okay, great. Victoria, I'll type Victoria into my Excel sheet as well. And then we have Rina, and then Yutaka, and then I need whose answer now. Okay, Rina has given me an answer. Good. Um, I haven't received Christina's answer. Okay, so that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What do you think the answer for this is? The woman blank just spoke to you at the entrance is the owner of the poultry farm. Poultry meaning like they basically do like either chickens or ducks, that kind of thing. It's poultry farm. Any idea, Christina? Okay, I'll do a quick countdown. 5 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And okay, I think Christina is not sure. So the answer is over here. Victoria, Brian, Emma, and Marisa got it correct. Okay, so you all get 1 point. The answer is actually A. The woman who, all right, the woman who just spoke to you at the entrance is the owner of the poultry farm. So the whole issue here is students will often confuse these two answers together, right? They will confuse this option A and option C together. So it's who versus whom, right? When do we use who? When do we use whom? All right. So the answer is actually quite easy if you know how to do the who versus whom. Okay, basically who basically refers to the subject of the sentence. Whom refers to the object of a sentence. So let me just review this grammar rule with everyone again. When to use who, when to use whom. So for example, let's say we have Yutaka and Rina, right? Rina and Yutaka, since you are siblings, I bet you will fight with each other at home. Okay, so normally, who is the one scolding who? Does Rina scold Yutaka or does Yutaka scold Rina? Which one is it, Rina? Tell us, since Yutaka is not here. And welcome to the class, Vashita. Yutaka. Okay, so Yutaka is normally the one who scolds. Okay, good. So welcome to the class, Vashita. It's a trial lesson. I'm explaining who versus whom. Okay, very common grammar concept. So let's say over here, Yutaka scolds Rina, right? So for example, Yutaka, okay, and then we have the verb, yeah? So we have the verb, I'll use blue for the verb, right? Yutaka, maybe scolds, all right, I'll just use the present tense. Rina, and then we have some time frame for it, right? Or it's like a it's like a regular thing because it's simple present tense, right? Simple present tense is always used for things that happen regularly or affect. Okay? But anyway, in this case, who's the one doing the scolding? So the one performing the verb over here, right? So scolds is obviously the verb. The one performing the verb, the one doing the scolding here, we say that the one doing the scolding is the subject of the sentence. And then the one receiving receiving the verb is the object of the sentence. Okay, so in this case, Yutaka is the subject, Rina is the object, right? Look at this at the top here. So if I wanted to refer to Yutaka, okay, I would use who, because Yutaka is the one performing the verb. So I will say, Yutaka who. For who, maybe I'll use a special color. Maybe I will use green. Yutaka who. All right. So if it's Rina, I will use whom, right? Who or whom what? Who or whom? Yutaka, who scolds Rina every day. All right, then Rina, whom is scolded by Yutaka every day. So what happened to them? I kind of say who scolds Rina every day or is scolded by Yutaka every day, right? To complete this sentence. So maybe we say Yutaka who scolds Rina every day. Who scolds Rina every day. Maybe loves to bully her. Okay, Rina, whom is scolded by Yutaka every day. Maybe continue the sentence. Kicks him when she can. Okay, something like that. So in this above question, right? If you look at the question itself, the woman is the one that we want to know. For the woman over here, right? Are we going to use who or are we going to use whom? So we have to look at the next part. Just spoke to you. Just spoke to you. So the person is the one who just spoke to you. So who's doing the speaking over here? Spoke over here is the verb, right? Who's doing the speaking? The woman is doing the speaking. Who's the one receiving the speaking? You are the one receiving the speaking, right? Who just spoke to you, you see? So you are the object. The woman who's speaking to you is the subject. Okay? So same thing. Subject is who. So therefore the answer here is who. She just spoke to you, right? So subject, she just spoke to you. Who just spoke to you? Okay, so that was a quick explanation of that since a lot of you got this one wrong. Okay, next question 2. These books don't belong to you. Yes, go ahead, Brian. These books don't belong to you. They are what? The boys claimed. Now, give me the answers, those of you who haven't, which basically is everyone else except for Brian, Emma, and Marissa. Okay, Jerusha has given me her answer. Good. Jerusha, you are correct. Victoria, you are correct as well. Good. How about Rina? Rina, and you know what? Vashita as well. Since Vashita has just joined us, I will add her name to my score list. If Vashita joins us permanently, she'll be added onto Class Dojo. Okay? Okay, Vashita has sent me her answer. So has Rina. How about Christina? What is the answer here? These books don't belong to you. They are what? The boys claims. So the boys, right? The boys are the ones saying that the books are theirs, right? So what should we put in the blank over here? Okay, very good. Everyone got it correct. Okay, I think this is pretty straightforward. So, yep, Christina is correct. Rashida is correct. The only person who didn't get this is Yutaka because he's not here. Okay, so the answer is ours. Okay, so ours. So the answer is C. Right? These books don't belong to you. They are ours because the boys over here, right? Plural. And then they want to say that it belongs to them, so they will say, "Oh, it's ours." Right? These books are ours. All right. They are over here is just short form for they are.